In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to Shopify from Printify. We'll walk through the entire process step by step so you can quickly get your Printify products visible and ready to sell on your Shopify store. Make sure you're already logged into your Shopify admin in a web browser before you start, and that you have a Printify account set up. First, in your Shopify admin dashboard, look toward the top of the page for the search bar. Click into that search bar. Then from the drop-down options, choose Apps. In the search field that appears, type Printify and press Enter on your keyboard. This will open the Printify app page inside the Shopify App Store. On that page, click the Install button. Shopify will guide you through a few installation prompts. Follow those prompts carefully, and when asked, connect your existing Printify account. Once that connection is complete, the Printify app will be integrated with your Shopify store. After installation, you'll be taken to the Printify app dashboard inside Shopify. It looks like a mini version of the regular Printify website, but it's embedded directly in your Shopify admin. On the left-hand sidebar of this Printify view, find and click on My Products. This section shows all of the products you've already created in your Printify account. You should now see your full product list. Next to each product, there's a small checkbox. Find the product you want to add to Shopify and click the checkbox beside it. As soon as you check a product, new options will appear at the top of the product list. Click the Publish button. A pop-up window will appear with several options for how you want to sync this product. Here, you can choose whether to keep individual product details or sync and publish selected details from Printify to Shopify. You'll see options such as product title, description, mockups, colors, sizes, prices, SKUs, tags, and shipping profile. Check the boxes for the details you want to send to Shopify, and leave anything unchecked if you prefer to manage it directly in Shopify later. When you're happy with your choices, click Confirm in the bottom right corner of the pop-up. At this point, Printify will start syncing the product to your Shopify store. This can take a little while, especially if you're publishing multiple products or using large mock-up images, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. To confirm that everything worked, go back to your main Shopify admin. On the left sidebar, click Products. Your new Printify product should now appear in your Shopify product list. From here, you can edit details, organize collections, and make the product active on your storefront.